helping them to lead more independent and Pradhan Mantri Divyasha Kendra, and as of now, and made operational covering each states and union territories of these appliances, devices to eligible Divyajan.
Okay, thank you.
I would like to invite Shri Sujit Kumar Sahu, Assistant.
Request all of you to welcome with a clapping.
Now,
Kini ke program Kepala Penolong dan District Social Welfare ringkat bat ke Alimpo. Kini naga bensa kunuan ay yang kita gijinga. Kumki syuki kita di wheelchair. Naga bensa ki disabled person with disabilities, nangka kumjuru yaki senior citizens. Kini ke program kalau kapa kejungut hadu kata-kata, akaba ke sorkar, nadu ke central government, hadu ke state government. Idon yang ketaka tong naga benta umno pan boy lane pan reach out saboro ki citizens lane ki nong song jom dari India wat haka jela kejungi ibrokoi. Misukmen apang iyo manedonang kum kagani ke program. Kini sibenta pan ayun sim lade ka encouragement kumayong ba ki person able person or person will disabilities. Ngire ki brio, ngire ki jintao ki jong play, ngiran hakaju kabenta, hakapa ngiran kami respect, banyak burom makelnya, kesorkar kepersangkat bala kumno ban lebha kumno ban yerap naga bensa kejungdan kam kejung piparo dia agak kesni kamdai kodong tang kata kejing sam ya kini ki wheelchair lani ki jingdon kam na ke benta jomhi kita ki badon ye ke jingduna agi department lani kita ki senior citizens kenai kadai shibenta ban belok lali bantai ya kari kejungi.
Active in ensuring that the people with disabilities get their adequate support. They have conducted thorough assessments across the district. More than 2,000 beneficiaries have been identified, out of which almost 500 beneficiaries will be getting their aids and appliances today. And although it is being entirely funded by the Government of India, but Alinco as an organization is doing excellent work in taking the vision of the Government of India and Government of Meghalaya forward. So thank you. As Deputy Commissioner of the district, I convey my sincere thanks to you. Simultaneously, I thank the dignitaries, especially the Chief Guest for today, that despite his punishing schedule, he has agreed to grace today's occasion as a Chief Guest. I request Alinco that they should continue such assessment camps, and they should saturate the district so that anyone who is eligible for aids and appliances and has a disability card does not go unserved, and ensure that they have, their right for a dignified living is adequately respected and honored.